Good morning, dear students. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you the descriptive paragraph. What is descriptive paragraph? Descriptive paragraph is a short paragraph which is related to a person, place, or an event. A descriptive paragraph is a writing task. It comes in a writing section, and you will get marks in a writing section. A descriptive paragraph is a writing task. It will count in a writing a form task in which a person, place, or an event is described. A short paragraph will be given to you. It will relate it to a person or place, or it may be a event. Place like Agra, Taj Mahal place is there, Red Fort is there. A small picture will be given to you, like Red Fort, Taj Mahal, and you have to write a short descriptive paragraph on the base of that pictures. Okay, and the person like a Sachin Tendulkar, any personality, Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, and any other personality like Salman Khan and other actors. Okay, so you will get a picture of that a particular person, and you will have to write a short paragraph, descriptive paragraph on the base of that pictures. Okay, place or an event is described. It is written to present the facts about a particular person. About, you will have to write about the particular person. Okay, I told you Sachin Tendulkar, any other personality will be given. Facts about a particular person, place, or an event to the reader. You will have to write about those particular person, place, or an event. Event means like a birthday party or any ceremony. Okay, these students should use simple language. Firstly, you have to write in this simple language. You have to write this paragraph in your own language, in your own words, so that it will easy to understandable. Okay, easy, and it will easy to understandable while writing the descriptive paragraph. You will use simple language. Okay, give the descriptive paragraph and stick to the word limit of 100 to 50 words. 100 to 50 words you have to write this descriptive paragraph. Sometimes verbal or visual. Verbal or visual means a picture will be given to you, like a Sachin Tendulkar. You have to write about the Sachin Tendulkar, and on the second hand, it will be given to you a clues. Clues means some points will be given to you. Based on those points, you have to write a descriptive paragraph. These two options here, visual and verbal. In visual, you will see the picture of that particular person, place, or an event. You have to write about those particular person, place, or an event. On the second hand, you will get the clues of the main points of the paragraph. Based on those topics, those points, you will have to write the descriptive paragraph, and you have to write in 100 to 150 words. Sometimes verbal or visual clues can also be given in the question to write the paragraph. Verbal and visual, I told you. Visual clues can be question to the write the paragraph. You will have to write the paragraph based on the visual or verbal. Means you will get only one paragraph, verbal or visuals. Okay, before writing this descriptive paragraph, some points are there. You have to use. You have to keep in your mind. Points to be kept in your mind. What is the main point? This is, it should give complete details about the person. What paragraph you are going to write, you have to give the complete details of the person, place, or an event. Okay, not you will leave the paragraph incomplete. One should use simple language. Second, you have to use simple language, and short sentences in writing the paragraph and short sentences. You will write short sentences, simple language. Second point. Third, the word limit of 100 to 150 words. Third point is you have to keep in your mind 100 to 150 words you have to use. The visual and verbal clues given in the questions can be used in constructive the descriptive paragraph. You will get a verbal or visual paragraph. Means visual, you will see a picture of the particular person. On the second hand, you will get the clues. The main points are there. You have to use those main points and you have to use the descriptive paragraph. It should not include the opinion of the writer. Means in this paragraph you will not give the suggestion. You will not give your opinions that Sachin Tendulkar, he did not play well in the last match, or Virat Kohli did not play the well in the last match, he should improve himself, or like this type of opinions you will not give to anyone. Okay, speculation, personal comments, you will not give the personal comments to anybody, or recommendations about the person, place or event being described in the paragraph. You will not give any opinions or suggestion to anybody. So okay, you have to write the main points about the person or the place. Okay student, it was your the descriptive paragraphs points to be kept in mind. Okay, thank you very much all of you. Have an amazing day.